Hello. We are talking about how some schools teach the Holocaust and how they avoid the inclusion of how the Nazis also persecuted the LGBTQ plus community. Now, I don't agree with the idea of teaching it this way, as when we teach about the Holocaust, we leave out the persecution of the LGBTQ plus individuals. We aren't teaching history accurately. I think some people believe it's teaching or promoting the lifestyle of LGBTQ plus, but it really isn't. We're talking about the victims of a tremendously with one of the sickest and most vile things in human history, the Holocaust. If because we're really talking about if we avoid the inclusion of it, we aren't showing the consequences of allowing severe discrimination to happen. LGBTQ plus people were targeted. As we all know, Jews were, Romanian people, and many others were targeted by the Nazis because they truly didn't fit a very own narrow vision of acceptable humanity as the Nazis viewed it. And if we exclude these stories, we are really diminishing the scope of how brutal the Holocaust truly was. And this idea really connects with critical hope. The idea that we need to tell the truth about history, even if it does make us feel uncomfortable, so we can know the horrors and make sure the horrors don't happen again, so we can fix these problems. And if we teach the full truth, we're not just looking at the past, but we're really equipping these students to recognize the challenge. Recognize and challenge the prejudice in the president. And what I believe, and I truly do believe, there's no way for anything as vile or sick as the Holocaust to happen in modern day. The ideas taught by studying the Holocaust are, truly important in making us able to tell signs. So, if anything somehow were to be started that was close to that, we would be able to see the warning signs earlier and be able to snuff out and stop that thing from happening. So, the horrors never get to the part of the Holocaust. In the conclusion, the exclusion of LGBTQ plus victims isn't really just about history in a sense. It's talking more about the danger of erasing these certain groups from narratives. If we teach history accurately, it helps all of us understand the importance of human rights and the truly sick and horrifying impact that discrimination can have. We aren't talking about lifestyles, we're talking about history and understanding how do we stop hate. Thank you.